At Nokian Tyres, we've mastered the extremes to perfect the everyday. The journey began in the Scandinavian snow more than 90 years ago. The first winter tire, crafted by Nokian Tyres to survive the unrelenting Arctic. But over the decades, that Finnish driving legend warmed up for something greater. The searing heat of the South, the rugged Rockies, the rainy Cascades, the demanding deserts. When you've been around 120 years, you become a master of every surface, from the unforgiving Nordic winter to America's diverse landscapes and potholes. For drivers who demand performance without sacrificing safety. For families seeking reliability in everyday driving. For adventurers pushing beyond boundaries. For every vehicle and every journey, Nokian Tyres. From Tennessee, for America.